wanted to understand what Office 365 could provide.
We use it for email, so exchange online, but our organization doesn't use it for anything else except for that. So we own it, we pay for it, we need to get the most value out of it as much as we can.
We identify the pain that they're living day in, day out. From there, from the pain, we then look at what are the capabilities to address the pain, but then we go into the how and the why. That's the ultimate aha. And that's where the customer sees how they're going to save time, improve the productivity, save costs.
Think different.
This is the best way, I think, to implement on the company, because you see the value.
So now I feel confident, which is what I was lacking, the confidence. Now I've got that back, so I can sleep at night now.